Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of Cash App giving us the error message of please try again later. For that there can be several reasons, like your internet connection is not stable and you might be in a country where Cash App is not allowed. So make sure that you are using a proper internet connection and also in a country where Cash App is allowed, and you can also go for VPN. But in case if this problem still persists and everything else is all right, then you can try up this method where we have to clear all the cache memory of our Cash App. So for that you need to open up your settings and then scroll down to the very end. Here you will find this option of apps. Just open it up and then click on manage apps. The features or the settings might be different in different phones. Just all you have to do is just open up your app settings and here search for Cash App, then click on storage, and here you have to click the cache memory and the data of Cash App. After that you need to just try again and open up Cash App and everything should work fine. And this is one of the way you can get rid of this problem. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.